Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code Master Lab. In this video, we will solve another Stack Overflow case. If you are looking for a channel that provides easy to flow coding tutorials, you have come to the right place. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you will never miss update. If you have any questions related to HTML, Bootstrap, PHP, CodeIgniter or jQuery or JavaScript, then comment below. I'll try to make a video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I found a problem where guy needs two different values of different types. There are two types, fruits and flower. So he need an alternatively fruit and flower. This can be solved in two ways. You can either take all the fruits in one array and other one is flower, and then one by one you can give it. But I will be using here recursive. It's a difficult part. Let's see how to do that. So before that, just I'm creating a database with a name table with test database as code master, and just creating the fields like we need some test ID, then some names of the fruit and the type. So we'll take those things and status. So just I have created a table with these values. Why I have used status and test IDs we will be discussing later. So in my upcoming videos you will be also seeing CURD operations and all. So in that I'll be explaining you those things. So here just I'm setting up my PHP SQL, and also I'll show you how to do that in CodeIgniter, set up your functions, everything, where to write everything. Those things also I'll be showing. I'm inserting the values which the user has gave in the Stack Overflow website, the table. Just those details I'm entering it out. So once I get entered these values, so we will start things. So all the values one by one I have already entered. Just I'm checking the table right now. So everything is entered perfectly. Now let's go to my code editor and then let's write the code. So I have taken a function named flower fruit. So this is the function I will be using. Before that, let me set up my database. So I will be auto loading this database and URL, configuring the base URL. Here with the URL, base URL which you are using is GNT Labs. You can see there is an error. It is due to database. So let's configure it. Username will be root, database will be CodeIgniter. That's it. Here let's get started with writing code. So let me retrieve the data from the database, get the data basically. So result underscore array is a keyword by which we can get all the values. As I told you, I'll be using recursive function. So let me comment and tell you like it's a recursive function code. I'll be writing it out. So before writing a recursive function, I will tell you why I am writing a recursive function. If not, let's write the code as usual, and then I will show you why I have to choose recursive function. So for that, I need for each loop, I need to iterate with each and every element which I am getting with a key value. So if I will check whether the key is 0, then it's the first element of the array. Then I will store it in the value in the array, which is a result array. So it might be fruit, it might be a flower. So we don't know. So assuming anything, it might be. So that's the thing we are entering into the result array. And also we have taken a type, a variable with which we will be storing the type, which type of element has been we have pushed into the array. So basically, once it is done, then for next elements we will check if the previous type is not equal to the present type. Then only we need to again push the value. Otherwise, we will not be pushing it out. And also we will check whether the element is already been present in the array or not. That we can check it in array. There is a function called in array. So by using the function we will be doing that. So in array it takes an element for the value which we want to check, and the array in which array we want to see. These two things are done, and we will be pushing that value. And this need to be done unless and until both the arrays gets matched, the result array and the flower fruit array. These two sides should be equal. So till then we need to iterate this thing. Otherwise, so that's the reason we have taken a recursive function. So here the recursive function name is check, and what we are saying, if the size of the fruit flower, if it is not equal to size of again the result array, then we will do a recursive function. Okay, a recursive function. Else we will be sending back the result array. Okay, now this recursive function needs some elements like fruit flower is needed, type is needed if not equal to 0 and all. Now we also check like whether if it is 0 and the name is already present in that array or not, if in key equal to 0. So those things we are just passing the elements to the array. So at first we will be sending type as null, result array as an empty array, and a fruit flower will be your database value. So now you can see that there is a few errors. So let me rectify those errors. So I have not passed the values function in the array, that's the reason I am getting an error. Now typo mistake was there, so we got the values, just we need to modify it by using echo. You can see like we are not getting the exact output which was expected. So now the problem was here type and we are not returning the value, so just click on return. Here you go with the value mango, rose, banana, lotus. Alternatively we got all the values. So that's all in this video. I think someone has posted the answer already. Let's post our answer as well using a recursive function. Thank you for watching. If you have understood something in this video, please hit that like button. It takes so much time for us to create this kind of videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. It motivates us really. Thank you for watching.